Welcome to the in front of me CUBOT Max 3, and I'll show you how to remove SIM pin from SIM card on this device. So first let's unlock our phone, the SIM card and the phone, and now we should launch the settings application. After that, let's scroll to the security section and scroll a little bit down to SIM card lock. Now we can see here the lock SIM card switcher. Just to remove SIM pin, you should click here once on the switcher, and after that enter your currently password by pin code. In my case that's from 1 to 4. Then just tap to OK, and now that's it. We can see that we just successfully removed SIM pin from our device SIM card. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.